So good day everyone, this is Crypto Pro here speaking, and in this session I'm going to guide you on how you can download your Phantom wallet and start using your Phantom wallet. So let's dive into the video. So for you to be able to get a Phantom wallet, you need to go to the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store for you to be able to download your Phantom wallet. So when you are done downloading the Phantom wallet, all what you need to do is to open the app, right? So I've already downloaded the Phantom wallet in here, so I've opened it. So when you open your Phantom wallet, this is the first thing that you see. So it says here, there's something like, it will tell you that welcome to Phantom. So with this wallet, you can do a lot of things in this wallet. You can keep your NFTs, non-fungible tokens in here. You can keep your Ethereum coins and some different coins from other blockchains in here. But basically, we are going to use the Phantom wallet to buy coins on the Solana blockchain, right? So with time, you are going to understand all these things, right? So for you to start, you need to press on what? Create a new wallet. So you see here that they have two things in here: create a new wallet and import an existing wallet. So you guys are new to crypto, right? So all what you need to do is to create a new wallet. But if you already have an account with Phantom, you can import an existing wallet by keying in your 12 secret phrase. So with time, you guys will get to understand what the 12 secret phrase stands for. So I told you, so let's move on. So let's press on create a new wallet. So that is it. So Phantom is very secure. It allows you to be able to lock your wallet with your face ID, your fingerprints, or anything that you want to use it to secure your wallet, or a code or something. So you can activate your face ID for your Phantom wallet, or you can activate your fingerprint, or you can put a pin or passcode onto it, so that this will ensure that you are the only one that can access your wallet. So when you are done, then you press on next. So next, this is the most important thing that you need to take note of in your Phantom wallet. This is called what? Secret phrase, recovery phrase. And it says here that this is the only way you will be able to recover your account. Please store it somewhere safe. So this is very important. So what you need to do is that you need to write these 12 words down in a book and keep it very safe. So for example, you guys are watching this, right? So for example, let's take it that so you guys have seen my secret phrase for my wallet, right? So you can, when you write these words down, you can access my wallet. If I deposit money into my wallet, you can also access it, and you can even withdraw funds from my wallet, right? So you need to keep these words very safe in case you lose your phone or something. These are the words that you can be able to use to get your wallet back, right? So you need to take important note of this. You need to take this thing very serious, right? So when you are done with the 12 words, let me just screenshot this, because they are going to ask some questions. So okay, save this somewhere. Yes. So now save this somewhere. So now I'm done with my, so you can screenshot and write it down, but don't screenshot it. Make sure you write it down in a book, because when you screenshot and someone takes your phone and the person gets access to those words, they can get access to your wallet and take away all your money from your wallet, right? So now I'm done creating my Phantom wallet. So now I need to press on I agree to the terms and service and get started. So now I've created my Phantom wallet. Enable, allow. So now I've created a new Phantom wallet. So for you to be able to buy coins, especially Memecoins in this wallet, you need a coin called Solana. So that means that you have to deposit Solana into this wallet to be able to buy Memecoins in this wallet. So with time, I'm going to show you how to do all these things. So I'll be giving you guys the beginner section. I'm going to teach you guys these things and you'll be able to do it. Thank you very much and have a nice